Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy XCover 5 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. When we tap this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the useful features category, and here at the last position we have the watermark option. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. Now let me keep it turned on. Let's move back to the camera to take the picture to see the watermark at the real photo. Now let's move to the left button that follows us straight to the gallery so we can see our picture with watermark in the left corner at the bottom. We can get closer to it. And this is how it looks like, Samsung camera shot with my Galaxy XCover 5. And of course when we don't need it we have to go back to the camera, then to the left corner settings, slide down again to the useful features and use this button to turn it off. So for now when we take another picture the watermark should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave it a thumbs up.